Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Dear students, today we are going to discuss noun and its types. What is a noun? Have a look around yourself. You can find a number of things that you can name them. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Idea means thoughts that cannot be seen, just we can feel them. Some examples of nouns are given here. Name of a person, Ali. Name of a place, Saudi Arabia. Name of a thing, table. Name of an idea, happiness. Nouns are the most common class of words in English. Now have a look at the main types of nouns. Number one, common noun, proper noun, material noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. Common noun can be categorized as concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Now we will discuss all these types one by one. First of all, we are going to discuss common noun. What is a common noun? It is a name that can be given to all. Common noun is used to give name, people, places, or things in general. Girl. This is a name that can be given to all. I can call all the students, all the girls as girl. I can call all the dogs as dog. I can call all the mountains as mountain. But I cannot call all the girls as Aisha. I cannot call all the dogs as Max. I cannot call all the mountains as Mount Everest. Our next type is proper noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is the name of some particular person, place, or thing. Proper noun. It is used to name a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter in English. Specific person. In the previous slide, we discussed this as common noun, girl. But now I have given her a specific name, that is Alice. Specific place. Mountain is a common noun, but now I have given it a specific name, that is Mount Everest. Dog is a common noun, but I have given this dog a specific name, that is Max. Now we move to the next slide, that is about material noun. What is a material noun? Material noun is the name of matter or substance out of which anything can be made. It is a substance, it is a material or an ingredient that we can see and touch, and it is used for making things. Gold, coal, wheat, rubber, glass. Number of things can be made out of gold. We use bread, we use wheat to make bread, we use rubber to make different things, we use glass to make different things. Example, this window is made of glass. Have a look here. When we put an article before material nouns, it becomes a common noun. Here you can see glass. It is a material noun. But when I put the article da, it becomes a common noun. In the same way, stone is a material noun. But when we put an article before it, it becomes a common noun, a stone. Let's move to the next slide. That is about concrete noun. Concrete means solid thing that we can touch, that has some physical existence. So what is a concrete noun? Concrete noun is a noun which refers to people and things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. Some examples of concrete noun are given here. Dog. We can see it. We can touch it. Building. We can see it. We can touch it. Coffee. We can smell it. We can taste it. Flower. We can smell it. We can touch it. Burger. We can taste it. We can touch it. Now move to the next slide, that is about abstract noun. Abstract noun is in our imagination. Abstract noun is in our imagination. We cannot touch it. We can just feel it. It is the name of a quality, action, or state. Some examples of abstract noun are given here. Kindness. How much a person is kind. We cannot touch it. We can feel it only. Brightness. We can feel it. Laughter, theft. These are the actions of a person that we can feel. We cannot touch. Childhood, boyhood. These are the names of states. We can feel. We cannot touch these states. So what we have concluded, an abstract noun is the name of thing that is in our imagination. We can feel it. We can never touch it. Our next slide is about countable noun. What is a countable noun? A noun that can be counted: pen, table, chair, book, fan, etc. There are a number of things that we can count. Countable nouns are also termed as count nouns. These are the nouns that refer to something that can be counted. Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. Singular form umbrella, umbrellas, plural form. Singular form table, plural form tables. Before countable nouns, we can use number 1, 2, 3. Before countable nouns, we can use articles a or an. Example: one umbrella, two umbrellas, one table, two tables. Now we can put article: an umbrella, or table. Now we are going to discuss about uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are also termed as mass nouns. They do not typically refer to things that can be counted. We cannot count. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted, as it is obvious from its name, and so they do not regularly have a plural form. Milk. We cannot call it milks. We cannot call it rains. We cannot make plural of cheese as cheeses, oil as oils. If we want to count, we can say a drop of rain. So here we are not counting rain. We are counting number of drops. If you want to count cheese, we cannot count cheese. We can count slices. One slice of cheese, two slices of cheese. Milk. One drop of milk, two drops of milk. One pack of milk, two packs of milk. Blood. We cannot call it as bloods. We can count it as one drop of blood, two drops of blood. So here we are not counting blood. Here we are not counting slice. We are not counting rain. We are counting drops of blood. We are counting slices of cheese. Hope so you have understood it. Our next slide is about collective noun. Have a look at this image. Team. In a team, there may be 11 players, there may be 7 players, there may be 6 players. The number of players may be different, but we can use a single word for all the players, that is team. Students. In a class, you have observed there may be 40 students, 30 students, or 50 students, but we can use only single word, that is class. Have a look at this image. So many people are here, but we call them as mob or crowd. In a staff, there may be 100 teachers, there may be more than 100 teachers, but we give them one single word, that is called staff. Here comes the tricky part. One word can be categorized in a number of ways. Toothbrush. It is a common noun because it is the general name of a type of a thing. It is a countable noun because we can count it: one toothbrush, two toothbrushes. It is a concrete noun because we can touch it. So we come to know that one word can fall into different categories. It may be a common noun, it may be a countable noun, it may be a concrete noun. Let's